In a sunlit backyard, a curious calico kitten named Miso meets a bubbly beagle named Pico who finds a map. They follow clues to a sprinkler fountain, Pico guiding with splashes while Miso sniffs flowers, turning the yard into an adventure. Their barks and purrs mingle as they share toys, guard a pretend treasure, and outsmart curious pigeons with clever teamwork. A hanging fern reveals the final hint, solved by calm nudges and trust between unlikely friends under golden evening light. Sunset finds them dozing side by side, hearts full, ready for more discoveries and another day of garden harmony.